Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin in Fairlight with the clip imported and a safety copy. This preserves your original. Once done, normalize to around -6 dB so processing behaves predictably, then solo the track to isolate noise. Make an initial 80 Hz high pass to eliminate low rumble and trim dead air at starts and ends. These short steps reduce work later. Next, create a duplicate track for destructive tests, so you can compare processed audio versus the untouched original. Now apply the noise reduction effect on the clip or on a dedicated bus so multiple clips can share settings. Start by using a short silent segment to capture a noise profile if the tool offers a learn function. Otherwise, set the threshold until it targets the background hiss. Once engaged, sweep reduction amount, attack and release while listening to speech clarity. Make sure to toggle bypass repeatedly to compare. Keep reduction conservative to avoid smearing consonants and preserve natural tonality. Finish by adding subtle multiband compression and a touch of EQ to restore presence lost during denoising. A small boost around 2.4 kHz improves intelligibility. Render a 1-minute test and compare the processed result with the bypassed original to confirm improvements. If you hear artifacts like warbling or sibilant smearing, reduce the noise reduction amount and slow attack, or automate denoising only over noisy sections. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, cut to the cleanest takes and splice around loud words.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.